Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change translation language Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to change translation language Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. For Change Translation Language, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here in the General menu, scroll down to find the Translate menu. And tap on this menu. And many language options from various countries will appear. Scroll down to see more language options. The Translate feature in Microsoft Teams translates chat messages instantly, facilitating communication between users with different languages. So that's it, tutorial how to change translation language Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.